And in a big statement, Railways Board Chief VK Yadav has said that bullet train can run between Ahmedabad to Vapi in Gujarat if land acquisition gets delayed in Maharashtra. This will happen in first phase, of course. Listen in to what Railways Board Chief has to say.
महाराष्ट्र की बात है, कई चरणों में महाराष्ट्र सरकार से बात हुई है और उन्होंने हमको एश्योर किया है कि अगले 4 महीने में 80% से ज्यादा लैंड दे देंगे। और अगर वो अगले 4 महीनों में वो लैंड मिल जाता है और हम टेंडर कर पाते हैं तो दोनों ही फेज, चाहे वो महाराष्ट्र का बुलेट ट्रेन हो या गुजरात का हो, दोनों ही फेज एक साथ कमीशन हो जाएंगे और उसका टाइमलाइन हम तय कर देंगे एक बार जब हमको थोड़ी लैंड की क्लैरिटी हो जाएगी तो। वो पहली बात है। दूसरी बात यह है कि हम ये भी तैयारी कर रहे हैं कि अगर किसी वजह से महाराष्ट्र की लैंड एक्विजिशन में ज्यादा विलंब होता है तो उसकी भी हम प्लानिंग करके रख रहे हैं कि क्या हम पहले फेज में वापी तक करीब 325 किलोमीटर का जो सेक्शन है उस पे बुलेट ट्रेन चला लें और महाराष्ट्र में जब दूसरे फेज में करें तो वो फेज वाइज करना है या एक ही फेज में करना है, वो निर्णय हमको जब लैंड एक्विजिशन की स्थिति साफ होगी तो उसमें हमको निर्णय लेना पड़ेगा। लेकिन भारतीय रेल चाहती है कि दोनों फेज एक साथ हों और पूरी ट्रेन एक साथ चले।
I'm now being joined by our correspondent Mayuresh Ganpade to give more details and background as to what exactly happened. So Mayuresh, if what Railways Board Chief is saying actually happens, then it would be a big fallout of BJP versus Sena. Give us a timeline as to what really transpired in Maharashtra.
Absolutely right. Now, only 22% land has been acquired for this particular project, whereas if we see that in Gujarat is almost 88 to 90%, and that's why we heard the railway board chairman who was saying that if a land acquisition doesn't happen in Maharashtra entirely, then we will only start the first phase, that is Ahmedabad to Vapi. So what is happening in Maharashtra? Because major chunk in Maharashtra or the land is going through, or the land basically is in Palghar district as well as in Thane district. And at both the districts, farmers and the tribals are against this project. They don't want to give their fertile land for this project. And we have seen last week only the Thane Municipal Corporation again for the third time rejected the proposal from from the bullet train authority. And even in past also we have seen wherever the bullet train authorities or the officials had gone for the land acquisition, they had to face the protest from the local villagers and the tribal people, and they were not even allowed to measure the land. So that's why the issue is here. Though the last Fadnavis government had committed that they will give the 100% land which a bullet train requires, but when the Shiv Sena came into power, it was Shiv Sena who earlier had announced also when they were in power with BJP that this bullet train is not for Maharashtra, or the people of Maharashtra, they don't want this bullet train, and that's why we will oppose. And right now also what we are seeing is the same thing which is happening.
Right. Thank you, Mayuresh, for sharing all those details.